On the bottom, Paige, you were good. I'm waiting for you to be great. Next, Nia, you're third on the pyramid. You were third overall high school. And on top of the pyramid, going 3 for 3, once again, is Maddie.
Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much to CurlsQueen for sponsoring this video. So this is how my product came, my ponytail came. I'm gonna open the bag. It's like a silk drawstring bag that you can also keep the ponytail in when you're done with it or when you're not wearing it. This is the ponytail. It's 3C4A. It's nicely packaged. When I am buying hair, I want the full package. I want everything. They have their nice tag, and this is the hair. I decided to go, this is the texture. I decided to go with, I know I'm always styling like looser curls, but I wanted to give the girls who have tighter curls styles, and even if you have loose curls, you can use these styles. But yeah, so this is the ponytail. It feels nice and soft. Definitely feels like human hair. It has a slight chemical smell to it, so but I'm sure when you wash it, that'll go away. But this is the hair, nice and full. So the first thing I did was wet the hair, and then I'm gonna add some product to it. I'm gonna go in just to kind of mask the smell. Normally I will wash it, but I'm gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. I do recommend washing the hair before you get started. It is human hair, so I like to treat human hair as if it was my own hair coming out of my scalp. So I'm just saturating it with this, and it is elongating the curls. I have a little bit of, I don't know, I can't think of the word, fallout. And then I'm also gonna use some of my Eco Styler gel. This ponytail honestly is thick. Thick. I can't even pass on a. This is really thick, and I'm really liking that because some ponytails be real thin. The fact that you get so much hair on this ponytail, I'm loving it. So I am gonna go in. So let's let this sit until we're ready for it. This is what it looks like. It is 20 inches. Really, really pretty. So then I'm digging in the bag because there's still more goodies. Ooh, okay, CurlsQueen, yes ma'am. We got a zipper bag, a brush. Ooh. And we got, yes, I need a new bonnet. I was just about to buy another bonnet, and lo and behold, and it's gold, yes ma'am. Is it reversible? I think it's reversible. It has a drawstring too, period. I think I will wear this side. But yeah, pretty gold, and on the other side it's like a champagne color. CurlsQueen, I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all did it, y'all did it. Y'all, I don't like when you just get sent a ponytail and it's just thrown in a box. Give me the whole package. Give me the whole package. So they also gave me their contact info. I'm gonna add all like the information you need in the description box below. So if you want to purchase this ponytail, especially after you see me styling it, if you want to purchase it or if you have questions and stuff, feel free to reach out. And then it's a thank you. So thank you so much to CurlsQueen for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the styles. Take 25. Hey, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing 3 quick and easy styles featuring the CurlsQueen human hair drawstring ponytail in the texture 3C4A. So the first style is the crisscross applesauce plus a bun. So the first thing you want to do is grab a small section in the front of your hair and part it in a zigzag pattern. And then we're going to smooth it down, brush it down, gel it down, whoop, whoop, whoop.
I'm a getting money ass nigga. I ain't chasing shit unless it's money and liquor. Nah, I ain't no referee, but she know I'm a filter. She got both ass cheek bouncing, that's double drip. That ass perfect, baby.
Initially, I should have focused on the back section first, but it's cool. We here already. So I just gelled it down. I'm going to add some edge control to smooth it over. And then I'm going to place that back section in a small bun.
Fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling.
So now focusing back on this section, I'm just going to smooth it over. I'm not going to mess with my baby hairs that I left out. My little crunchy baby hairs in the front. And then I'm going to bring it to the back. I'm going to grab a rubber band and I'm going to rubber band it. And then it's going to fall into the bun. You'll see later. So I'm going to scoop that little piece up in the back and just rubber band it to my bun. And here she is, the star of the show, Miss Go Getter, Miss You Couldn't Mess With Me on Your Worst Day, Miss Stretchy Girl, Miss Elastigirl.
That boy got stretch pants. That boy got stretch pants.
I don't even gotta say nothing. Look at the ponytail. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Right now I'm just laying down my baby hairs as I always do. I like to add a little baby hair, add a little flair. Yes, I'm in my early 30s. Yes, I still wear baby hairs. You want to fight about it?
Put him up, put him up, put him up.
Girl, I bet that he be acting all cocky like he deserves you. And you so lucky to be with him. Bet he be treating you rude, always got an attitude, like he's the only dude made for you. But I bet he didn't tell no.
So this part is super easy. All you gotta do is cock your head to one side, twist it around each other, flip it, and make a bun.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
So this part is definitely optional. You don't have to put a claw clip in your hair. I just feel like it adds more pizzazz.
And I might just leave the ceiling. And I'm trying to grind up on a million. And I might kill it if I feel it. Hell yeah, damn right, I kill it if she give it. Man, got a stench. Take it and we flip it. Take it and remix it. Bring it back 16 curves on them hoes. Bank too big, need pocket like Jabot.
So this next style is just a mid pony. It's so quick, so easy, and it looks so much more natural than wearing a synthetic ponytail that doesn't necessarily mimic your natural hair texture. This definitely is a full pony, just juicy and just pretty. Don't get me wrong, I love my synthetic ponytails down, but sometimes you need a little bit more quality. I don't know if you guys noticed, but instead of just wrapping it into a small bun, I folded the braid on top of each other and secured it with the hair tie just because I didn't want it to be super bulky at the top, so it'll lay flatter.
Laid up, got me thinking, babe. Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada.
I've been doing this ponytail trick for years. You just take 1 or 2 elastic bands or ponytail holders, place them on top of each other, then grab 2 bobby pins and put them on either side of the ponytail holder. And then just slide it into your ponytail. You want to make sure you pull it as tight as possible. I feel like this makes the ponytail look a lot more natural, especially since the only thing separating your hair from the ponytail is a weft that you can see. So in the next clip, you'll see I gave you guys an alternative option. You can just pull some hair from the back and braid a little section that you pull from the back and just pull it around to cover the base of the ponytail.
Calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown, for lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, fan down, fan down. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come, baby, come, baby, come, baby, come.
Just met a girl, said she from the H-Town.
So this last hairstyle was super duper easy. It's just a side swoop with a bun and some loose curls. I promise it took no longer than 5-10 minutes to create this style. So just keep watching.
They say my whole hood got it under investigation. They know they talk that stick talk, that stick talk. They know we talk that lick talk, that lick talk. $10 million cash for friend. Started sipping syrup, I've been geeked ever since. Gotta keep that heat on the seed ever since. You know we talk that stick talk, that stick talk. I'm about to this cash up on a new toy. About to this cash up on a new toy.
You must not know what you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit regardless. Hit my coin and swipe that bitch and now the spirit charge. Making moves, green on beaches. I be really march. I got hands for a hoe. I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance. Nigga, no. I keep saying free up folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I let you
Know what I mean? Everybody tracking me as soon as I step in the spot. I step in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. None of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working all the way at the top. All the way at the top. Shouting, what is the name? Ooh, she made us.
Thank you so much to CurlsQueen for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description box where you can purchase the hair and get a discount off. I love y'all so much and thank you so much for your continued support. Mwah.
So I guess we doing something right. Out in the mix with the camera light shining.